Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a shopping kind of spree, and I'm gonna get the bubbly animation. Um, and I'm gonna see what I want. I don't have any Robux as you can see yet, but today when my mom comes home, she's going to get me 800 Robux. So I'm gonna, or 2,000, I can't remember what she said. But yeah, and I'm also gonna cut it, that way you guys can see when, um, she gets me the Robux. Um, so I'm just gonna say it's 5:25 right now at p.m. and I'll tell you when it's like later. It's gonna be like 8 or 7 when she gets me it, because that's when she comes home. But yeah, so I have my notes right here. Um, Hold on. Okay, so let me small this out, and I'm going to do Microsoft Word instead, just because there's a lot of private stuff in the notes. Um, um oh no, no, no. We're just gonna kind of make it smaller. Smaller. I'm just gonna make it as small as I can. Okay. And I'm gonna put it right here. Can I make it smaller? Okay. So, I gotta see. So, I got the Joy Surprise. Copy. I'm gonna paste. Wait, I wanna see which font I want. Let's just paste first. I can't paste. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I just needed a mouse. Um, yes, I can disconnect and connect my mouse. Okay, I think that should be better. Okay, that's better. So let's paste. What? Mm, mm. Copy. Wait, wait. Paste. Goodness, took that long. Okay. Um, Copy. Paste. I said paste. Thank you. And then I think the last one is Joyous Surprise. Copy. Paste. Okay. Okay, so now we have, and I'm gonna click that way I can exit out. Okay, so now let me make this bigger. That way I can make the font size bigger. Make it about 16. So I'm gonna copy all this, delete it, make it 18, no, 20, paste. That's 20? No, that's, oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I want this about 20. Or 18. Okay, I like 18. So, we're going to be looking at some things that I would really want, and I know I'd like it. So I already have a bunch of this stuff already because my mom's gotten me Robux a lot. So let's look at some clothing. We'll go to pants. I like this Nike stuff, but I have like let me see. I want this. Okay, let's go paste. Okay, that's very cute. Okay, let's look at some. Yeah, those are the glasses I want. Let's see if I want any here. Hats. They have the holographic. I want the chill cap, but that's a lot, and I don't want to use a lot on just one hat. I already have this. I'm a spy. Look at some packages that I might like. Mm. Okay, guys, so I'm so sorry about that. I had to cut the thing because somebody was calling me. But anyways, so let's keep looking. I don't think I want anything else, honestly. I've already gotten a lot of clothes. Um, I mean, there's gear, but you can't really have gear like accessories, all accessories, face. We already looked at that. I don't know why people like the dusk mask. I do not, definitely. I hate it. Remember, I was thinking about getting it. No. I I liked the bandit for a little while, and then when I figured out the bear mask was on, I was like, yes. Okay. Um. Let's look at the faces. So we're gonna wait, faces. Um. I already have that one. I already have that one. I already have that one. The bling bracelet. I might get the dizzy. I already have that one. I do not like that one. I like that one. That one's pretty, but I can't. So we're gonna, ah, gonna Copy and paste. I ordered an 18. Okay. Dizzy. Okay. Oh, I need to put the price. Okay, wait. Wait, did I put 16? Enter. Dizzy, I guess I put 16. Okay, so Dizzy is, is $30 or 30 Robux, I guess. Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, wait, no. Okay, let me find, don't look. I know you guys are looking anyways. I know I have nosy fans. Just kidding, you know, I don't even have fans. But you know, okay, but let's be serious. I know there's nosy people out there, and I don't care if you're nosy, because, like, I mean, I'm nosy myself sometimes. Okay, sorry about that. Might have to cut that out, but look, whatever. Okay. Let's go back to catalog. The bubbly animation is 250 Robux. What's next? Hipster glasses. So, accessories, face. Hipster glasses are 125 Robux. 125. And then the Joy Surprise. I don't know how I remember that, but I did. Body parts. It should be on one of these pages because I'm too lazy. Yeah, it's right here. And that's 20. Oh, and then let's go back to catalog. Why did I do that? Hold on. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. I had to move it, and I didn't want you guys to see personal stuff. And also, after that, somebody called me, and I'm not gonna say who. So yeah. Okay, yeah. The blue. Let's go to clothing, and we're gonna go to pants. Cause like I like them, and then I seen this, and I was like, yes. And that's 64 Robux. This is actually this is a good price. Okay, now let's enter. And I'm gonna put the total cost. Okay, the total cost is okay. I'm gonna have to add this in my head. 5. Okay, so oh gosh. Okay, 5. So okay, so there's gonna be a 5. Oh wait. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to do this. I'll be right back. Okay, so the total cost is right here, and it is 425 Robux. And let me put Robux, that way I know it's like for Roblox. So yeah, this is the whole thing, and I'll make these 22 as well.